Hi guys, I am so excited to do this video for you because I'm gonna do unboxing and then I will do tryout and also I will tell you my opinion about this toothbrush. It is electric toothbrush and I always use just electric toothbrush for my teeth because my teeth is not amazing and they always having some issues, so I have to make sure I'm taking a good care of it. And if I use just a regular toothbrush, I always feel my teeth is not as clean as with electric toothbrushes. And what happened, my toothbrush just got broken and luckily I found this one at the same time. Okay guys, what's really exciting about this toothbrush, because it's not just electric toothbrush that I used to have, it is also has a water floss. And I actually always use water floss, I just have a separate thing for that. But I think if I have everything in one, it will be very easy if I go on a trip and just it will take smaller spaces to keep all my stuff for my teeth. I will just have one thing and I'll get rid of all of other things. And yeah, save some space and keep it cleaner. This toothbrush has two settings, 1 minute for regular and 2.5 minutes for deep cleaning, which I think I'll probably use 2.5 because I love that feeling when my teeth so sparkly and clean. I just love it. It also has 3 cleaning modes and it is waterproof and you can easily use it in a shower. And also it is very portable and very easy to travel with. Okay guys, let's just unpack it and see how it looks inside. And this is probably charger, and this is a handle for the toothbrush, and this set has 2 water picks and toothbrush. This is actually for water pick little tube, so just unroll it like that. This is a charger, it doesn't have a real plug, it just has this little thing that you can plug to a computer or any adapter or phone charger. Yeah. Now I will have to go over the menu and figure out how to use the water plus and how to put all this together, and then I will film you how I use it. I've been using this toothbrush for about 1 week already and so far I love it. When I just set it up, I've been charging it for about 24 hours and now every time I use I charge. But I think it will last you for a while. I start with brushing. So I put my toothpaste over here, of course. I'll just press start. I'm gonna show you how I'm changing the settings. So I start the brush. If I want to change how it vibrates, I will quickly press this button with M. So this is, now it's a pulsing, now it's this one, settings, and this one. So 3 different settings. If I want to change the time, how long I want to brush, I press it and hold it. So now it's long and now it's shorter. So this is a 1 minute, and if I hold longer, this is 2.5 minutes. On the back of this charger I have a water supply hose. I will unroll it, and this part I'm gonna put it in any cup. It's gonna hold it very well. And this end of the hose I'm gonna put right here. And here I press my start button and just around my gums will show you how I do it. Yeah, when I do it I slightly keep my mouth open, of course, so I just do it and water goes out and just cleans everything that have been left from not good flossing. So when I pull it out, I just kind of pull it, put it back to charge, and attach this one back, and that's all. As for me, I love this brush. It really does a great job of cleaning, and it is small, so I can keep my bathroom really nice and organized. So for me, it's thumbs up. I love this brush and I do love using it. Okay guys, I hope this video was helpful, and if you have any more questions, please leave comment down below, and make sure to check out this brush too. If you're interested, I will leave all the links down below. And from me, that's all for today. I will see you in my next video. See ya!